how do you like, I'm so speechless. I'm so speechless because, okay, I know I'm being extra because Rihanna's a person and, like, shit is possible. Like, if you put in the work, you could be as big as Rihanna. But can you imagine starting from this level, from a humble beginning in Barbados, and just being the biggest star in the world coming from this street? Can you believe that? I can't. I really can't. Rihanna Drive, y'all. Stay inspired. What's up, y'all? So today's my last day, my last full day in Barbados, and I have bittersweet emotions because I'm ready for the next thing. I'm ready for the next experience, but then I'm also like, I've been used to this view. Do you see this view? I've been used to this for 4 months. I know a lot has happened within these 4 months. But I just kind of become accustomed to it in a weird way, like being on an island, like an actual island. I have been on this island and it's just like I don't even have words to describe it. And it's also bittersweet because I'm leaving and then I'm never gonna have this experience again to actually come to a school in Barbados. But I will come back. I would say I would definitely come back, hopefully next time with Riri. But yes, I'm ready for my next journey in Ghana. I'm excited to see what that's gonna bring me. I literally wanted to spend my day at the beach, but things happen. It happened last night, you feel me? But yes, I'm heading to the beach, and I've never seen anybody head to the beach with an umbrella because in Barbados the rain is kind of unpredictable and it just kind of starts raining out of nowhere. So I still want to go even though it's raining. I'm gonna go take the bus and then I'm gonna head down to the beach and it's gonna feel great. I just want to dip in the water one more time. Just depending on how tonight goes, I might go early morning tomorrow, but as for right now, I just kind of want to go and dip, so yes, I just wanted to give you an update. I'm saying a lot, but I just wanted to give you an update on what's next for me. And I'm just so excited. I'm so grateful. I'm really glad that at the end of this whole experience, I came out stronger than I came in. Maybe not physically yet, but in a way physically, because all the things that were bothering me health-wise are dealt with or combated. And it's kind of taught me more to just be aware of my health and how that's so important, because without your body, without your health, you really can't do anything. So that's one important thing that I learned. I just learned a lot of things. It's a separate video, but right now I just kind of wanted to head to the beach one more time. I'm not trying to do a whole talking vlog, but yes, you know how I do. I just be talking and talking and talking. So I'll see y'all later at the beach. Peace. Barbados. Thank you, Barbados. Thank you. Thank you so much.